Wow! Look at that. He didn't even realize the floor was that dirty until he hired one of our machines. So, why don't you? Imagine the perfect cleaning machine, hand-delivered direct to your door, making your floors look great again, and at only a fraction of the cost. How? Well, keep watching and I'll show you. Do your floors look like they fought one too many battles with dirt? You're not alone. But imagine this: sparkling floors delivered faster than you can say, next day, higher delivery. Welcome to a world where cleaning is effortless, affordable, and, dare we say it, actually enjoyable. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we'll reveal how our premium cleaning machines can transform your business and save you thousands. At Cleaning Equipment Services, we don't just rent machines. We deliver solutions that redefine what clean really means. And here's the kicker: we only hire out the best. Our fleet includes premium quality machines from trusted brands like Karcher, the largest in Europe, and Tennant, the largest in the USA. These aren't just machines, they're the cleaning industry's gold standard. Curious about what makes them so special? Keep watching. We promise it's worth it. With over £3 million worth of equipment in stock, we're ready to supply the perfect solution for your needs. Need it fast? We've got you. With next day higher delivery, you'll never wait around for clean floors. And when the machine arrives, it's supplied complete and ready to go. No missing parts, no complicated instructions. Just plug it in and let it do its thing. Plus, we throw in free training, so even Gary, yes, him again, can look like a cleaning ninja. So, why do businesses across the UK trust us? Let's break it down. First, we offer a best price guarantee. You'll always get top-tier equipment at unbeatable value. Second, we've got rapid service and breakdown support. When the unexpected happens, we'll have you back on track faster than you can say, "Where's the mop?" Third, our machines come from the industry's leading brands, delivering unmatched performance every time. And yes, they'll make your floors look so good, you might even consider throwing a floor party. But maybe don't. Picture this: your floors gleaming with a professional polish, your team working in a safe and clean environment, and your customers wondering if you hired a celebrity cleaning crew. Whether you're running a high-traffic warehouse, a busy retail space, or a pristine healthcare facility, our machines are built to exceed your expectations. And there's one more thing you need to know. Every machine we hire is rigorously maintained and fully serviced by our expert team. That means zero downtime and no surprise repair costs. Our partnership with Karcher and Tennant ensures you're getting the most advanced, reliable cleaning technology available. So, what makes these brands the leaders in their fields? Keep watching. We're about to spill the dirt, or rather, how to clean it. And let's talk convenience. Delivery? Done. Training? Free. Setup? Handled. It's all included. And with flexible terms and a wide range of options, we have the right machine for every job. From compact units for tight spaces to heavy-duty models for large areas, we've got it all. But what truly sets us apart? Think about the time you're wasting, the money slipping through your fingers, and the stress of unreliable equipment. With us, those headaches disappear. We've made the process simple and seamless. No stress, no surprises, just clean floors, happy teams, and impressed customers. Imagine the impact on your business. Spotless spaces, a professional image, and a reputation for excellence. Customers notice these details, and so do your employees. A clean environment isn't just about appearances, it's about pride, safety, and performance. Plus, clean floors just feel better. The question is, what's stopping you? Is it cost? Our best price guarantee means you're always getting the best deal. Is it time? With next day higher delivery, you'll have your machine when you need it. Or maybe you think hiring is complicated, it's not. We've thought of everything, so you don't have to. Visit cleaningequipmentservices.uk now to explore our long-term hire options. Discover why businesses across the UK trust us for their cleaning needs. With next day hire delivery, free training, and premium machines from Karcher and Tennant, the choice is clear. Your floors deserve the best, and so does your business. Let us help you shine. Contact us today and take the first step towards spotless success. Because let's face it, life's too short for dirty floors.